All right, everybody, how we doing? The other day, I had seen something on YouTube about how people's, like their battery covers to their phones were getting all jacked up and scratched up, and people like to on YouTube they like to paint them, but a lot of them do so with the failure, like a tremendous amount of failure. Some do pretty good at it. Some come up with some really creative ideas, like glow in the dark paint and charcoal paint and rubberized paint and chalkboard paint. But anyway, I thought, I have an old phone and the back of it was pretty scratched up, and I figured, why not? Let's give it a try. See if I can make it work. So I actually did two cases, or shall I say, battery covers. The first one I did in like a royal blue, and now the way I did it, shall I say? I actually ended up putting a nice thick coat of basically some really good bonding primer, high bonding primer. It's good for plastics, ceramics, and it finishes with almost like a chalky coat, and then you sand it down nice and smooth, and paint will bond to it really good and really strong bond. So then I went and got like an automotive blue. It's like an automotive paint, and it's like a royal blue color. And I ended up getting it and putting 3 coats of the blue on. And the third coat of blue that I put on, I didn't let fully dry. I did this on purpose. I didn't let fully dry. That when I added the clear coat and it dried, it caused the paint to kind of crack a little bit and kind of crinkle up and leave kind of a neat little, like almost like a snakeskin texture. It looks really neat. But after that completely dried for 2 days, I went back over it with 3 more layers of clear coat, and I tell you, it turned out pretty cool. I'll show you. This is what it looks like on the phone. This is the blue battery cover. If you can see, it's got the texture to it. It's really shiny, but it's really pretty, and it's really nice. That's my phone. It's a nice phone. But yeah, it's nice. It's nice and dry, and I think it looks really cool. Now, I also, just so you guys know, here, I'll set you guys up. This is the blue one. Like I said, that's the blue case. Now, I'll take this off because I actually have 2 of these phones. This is my spare phone, and I did both covers for both phones. I did a black one as well, and a blue one. That was the blue one. I'll show you guys. This is the black one. It's really, really nice. I did it black, and as you can see, it's really shiny. You can reflect. You see like a mirror behind me. Jesus Christ, my wife is listening to a movie on level 500 in there.
No, I'm not.
But anyway, I'll put this on the phone. Let you guys see what it looks like on the phone. There we go. There you go. And that's what it looks like on the phone. It's really nice. And I don't know, I would think it's durable. It's an automotive high heat paint. And it's got 3 layers of clear over it. So I wouldn't know why it wouldn't work. Now, a lot of people have had issues with doing this, like the paint coming off, or when it starts to dry, it just flakes off. I believe a lot of the reason is because of the paint you use, and also because you don't use a good primer, or you don't use a primer at all. The backs to my cases originally are really slick. They're almost like a hard plastic, and they're really super soft and smooth. I actually had to sand them down quite a bit to get them as roughed up as I could before I put the primer on them. And then when I put the primer on there, I had to make sure that the primer was even and fully dry, and then sand that down again. And then I put 3 layers of paint on it. I put the 3 layers of paint on there so that it wouldn't chip and crack, and it's just more durability. But yeah, they turned out really good. And again, here's the blue one that's textured. You can kind of see the texture in there. But yeah, I did the texturing on purpose. I was hoping it would turn out a little bit better than it did, but it didn't turn out too bad. So And then again, here's the black one on the phone. I've got it on the phone. You can see me in the reflection. It's nice and clear. It's almost like a mirror. But yeah. So anyway, that's what I did. I painted my battery cases, or my battery covers. You guys got questions? Let me know. I'm working on another project. Eventually I'll be doing something else and posting on here. Thanks for watching.